I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Youtooz promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up Youtooz promo code and click go. So once that is done, you're gonna go over to the first website, wethrift.com. I'm gonna go here. And as you guys can see, these promo codes are for September 2023. And it is September 1st today, so this is for this month and they're gonna work. So the first one was used 82,000 times and the success rate is 88%, and it gives you a 23% off. So you can click copy code and it's gonna copy the code automatically, and you can use this code at checkout to grab a 23% discount. Similarly, you can go and explore other codes. So for example, you want an 11% off, you can copy this code and use this at checkout. You can go and explore all the other codes here as well. So there are many. So for example, this one 10% off, the success rate is 100% and it was used almost 14,000 times. So you can click copy code and use this at checkout. Now I'm gonna head over to other websites and show you a few more codes. Okay, so this website here, Coupon Toaster, I'm gonna go here. Okay, I'm gonna scroll down. Alright, so the second one is save 10% off. I can click get discount code, and this is a discount code for getting 10% off. You can copy it and go to the website by clicking visit Youtooz and choose your product and use this code at checkout. There are other codes as well. So let's say you're looking for 11% off, you can click get discount code for that, and this is the discount code for 11% off, and it's the same process, copying and using it at checkout. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.